So we're gonna learn how to set default due dates for invoices and bills, as well as update payment terms from settings. So in order to get to the settings, you can head over to the navigational menu under the business name. So head over to settings, and then invoice settings in that second column. And in another video, we'll talk about how we can customize and edit branding themes and also attach the types of payment options available to each one of these themes. However, today we're just going to focus on the default payment settings. So Xero automatically has us set to 14 days due after the bill date and the invoice date. So maybe we wanted to update this and have it so that 7 days after the invoice date is going to be the default date. Now you can always customize this when you're actually creating invoices in Xero. This is just going to be the default date, and it might save you a few clicks. Now heading down below, we have the ability to set automatic sequencing. So you can do things like update the invoice prefix. Right now it's just set to INV or invoice, but you can change this to be whatever it is that you want it to be. You also have the credit note prefix, purchase order prefix, and quote prefix. Now, you can also update the next number. So if you're converting over from another accounting system and you already have a sequence of invoices going, maybe you would just want to set this to be the next one in line from that last invoice. Usually Xero will start from 00, just like this. And so when you create invoices in Xero, it's going to be 001, 002, and so on and so forth. And maybe that's not what you want. So maybe that you want to start at 1789. So you have the option to set those numbers here. Here's where you can decide whether or not you want to include a link or allow customers to view any previous invoices and bills from their portal. So include a link on online invoices to show all outstanding bills. It's just nice to allow that customer or client to be able to see any past invoices in their portal. But you can always remove that if you need. And then here's the quote expiration date. So you're creating new quotes for potential customers and it expires within 14 days, or maybe it's a quote that will last for 30 days. You can update that as well. Then once you've made your changes, go ahead and click save. And now these default settings should apply when you create new invoices. And if we want to give us a test, let's go ahead and create a new invoice using our quick create option. And zooming out just a little bit, you'll see now that the invoice number is 1789. And also we changed the default due date from 14 days to 7 days. So as of, if the issue date is the 9th, the due date is going to be the